Hello, wonderful people. Today I'm going to be making a dry shampoo from some natural ingredients. Stick around if you want to see it. Okay, so the ingredients today are a bit more intensive than the previous recipes. You're going to need a bowl, your measuring spoons, one of these spice shakers if you have one. Otherwise you could just use like a jar or whatever you've got lying around. You've got corn flour, bicarbonate of soda, bentonite clay, cocoa, and I'm using orange essential oil because I'm just obsessed with it, and this is perfume grade, so it's cheap from Dischem. And if you have one of these jobbies, a label maker. Okay, so I was lucky enough to have one of those Robertson Spice containers. Okay, let's do this. So you're gonna need 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. I'm using a bowl today because I tend to make a mess. Alright, the cocoa is if you have dark hair, guys. Okay, 1 teaspoon bentonite clay, 1 teaspoon bicarbonate of soda, and then 5 to 10 drops of your essential oil. And I have 5 mils of cocoa for my hair color. You might need to adjust your cocoa according to your own preference. Okay, so that's what that looks like now. And my mess. Now we gotta get it in the bottle. Okay, so lid on. That is the color of it. Give you a better look now. My hair is not really very in need of a dry shampoo right now, but I'm gonna apply it anyway so you can have a look. Let me know if you try it out, guys. I would love to hear and see if you guys do try it out. I'm so keen for this, and it's much better for the environment and made of natural products, which is wonderful for your brain and your scalp.